Yeah, let's do this. So reversals. It's a 50 here version. That's a volume. That is a 25. Okay. I did give it a 5 and give it a 5 as well. Stochastics 0. So I give it a 25. Derivative, negative 25. 12 hour, negative 50. Mean reversion to negative 50. Volume today, I give it a 0. FD gave it a negative 50 here. I'm gonna give it a 5. Plastics give it a negative 50. RSI also give it a negative 50. Derivative, give it a negative 50. One day. Crystals give it a 0. Version give it a negative 50. Volume give it a negative 75. FD give it a negative 50 or so. And to give it a 25 here. Stochastics give it a negative 75. RSI give it a negative 25 as well. Bit of 50, I would think. That's a 4 hour. So reversals give it a negative 75 open. Reversion is 0. Well, I'm give it a 0 for this one. FT give it a negative 50. And to give it a negative 50 as well. Plastics give it a negative 25. So I give it a 0. Derivative, give it a negative 25. Down to the 1 hour. Negative 25 here. I mean, negative 75. So reversals in, how are we doing? The reversion here. Give it a 100 for this one. Volume, give it a 50. FT give it a negative 25 or so. And it's negative. Plastics 0. So I give it a negative 25. Give it a 0. The 2 hour would be a negative 50, I would think. So reverse. I mean version, give it a 75. Volume, give it a, I say negative 50 for this one. FT give it a negative 50. And negative 50. Plastics negative 50, I would think. Our side, 0. Derivative at negative 25. Let's go to the 30-minute. Looks like a negative 100 to me. 25 or like negative 100 for the volume. Minus 25. Negative 5 for this one. G is 0. So for the RSI, for the derivative, we have a negative 25 for this one. Lastly, the 15-minute. 25 here. 25 for this one. We're seeing that's a 0. MA, so and 0, and negative 25. Stochastics at negative 50 here, negative 75. That's going to be negative 25. Derivative at negative 50, I think. Okay, into the path here. Just analyze that around this level or so. I think 1.108.1 data. Okay, so supposed to be bullish. Yeah, one more time. Prediction, does it go up? Market long making sense. We see this bullish differential on the lower term. Okay, I'm quite bullish. We're just going to market buy this. No hesitation, just market buy. Bought at 1.10873. We'll see how that turns out. You guys need to be set. I'm gonna do this. Into 36. Yeah, that would mean that the profit calculated at 1.10892. There, too high. See, that is not that much. That's the thing. The calculated take profit in the path here was calculated at 1.11, significantly higher, 1.11, 400. I don't know how likely that is. Because it's that high in 1 hour. It was very oversold here. It's some kind of a bullish reversal pattern, seeing the higher lows, multiple bottoms. You said it was oversold. Is it oversold? After this very sharp move, 3 a.m. I don't know what news event preceded that. I fade the news. Dude, something logical take profit would probably even be the high here. Check what level that is. It's a 1.11145. I think what the path predicted 111.245. At least on there. What's happening now? No. Don't want to get my hopes up for this. This is bullish out. Right? Look at the this one, 10.5. I mean, see how it goes. It's not entirely that weak of a bullish. It's a dragonfly doji on that one. In 2 minutes, 5 minutes shows up as a dragonfly. Predicted it would stall a little until 10 a.m. here. But we were analyzed at 8:50 or so. We're approaching a low. Looking for that bounce. I do not know what happened at 3:15 a.m. precisely. A little weird, but all right. Before a reaction off of that low. It actually was a low here. Again, we're not taking our chances with limit orders. The path says market harder, then do it. Should provide a nice reject off of the low. From there, we should go up. If anything, it just paints another dragonfly. I don't know how likely that top level is. Probably not. Why would it go all the way? Just to the high. I've learned not to get my hopes up that much. Why would it go all the way there? Bring that low again. We'll see what it does. Seems to want to take it as support. Maybe not. We have another bottom here. If you're interested. It so pleases you. We have another bottom. The LLT predicted a little dip down, at least by 15 a.m. here. Which is exactly what is happening. If anything, it makes a gigantic double bottom. Platform decides to not work. No, okay. That suggests double bottom. The hours of 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. Interesting. Really decide to dump it. Fine Monday morning. Reduce take profit, right? If it does that, significantly reduce take profit. Imagine getting stopped out. Yeah, what it's doing. Is it going to dump more, or is it going to reverse the entire fucking thing? Reverses the entire fucking thing. Well, that's our bullish signal right there. Look at this. That's disgusting. They took all their stop losses and now it's going up. Disgusting. How am I supposed to know they're going to dump it before going on? Just don't know. If it goes up without you, then I guess you're entering suboptimally. So either way, you have to deal with it. That is a stop hunting maneuver. And it's the stop hunting maneuver in action. Look at that dragonfly in the 5-minute. I'd be very surprised if it decides to dump more. I think it just got more bullish. So I mean, it just made a few more dragonflies, and now it's finally going off. Is this take profit a thing? To check the 10-minute. That would have been the high. Willing to take it there, honestly. That's high. Willing to take it there. Gigantic dragonfly in the 10-minute. Taking it conservatively only because it did that dumping maneuver. If it didn't do that, maybe I'd set it higher. It's fucking disgusting. They took all their stop losses. Setting it there, right? They're fucking there. And by the way, that's the low here. So like, I think it's significant. 1.11081. 1.11081. The take profit. 1.11081. That's 208 points, which is not freaking bad. What? Cross into profit soon. Yeah, but it takes that as resistance. There's a gigantic dragonfly doji, bullish reversal candle, doji candle, long lower tail. In no way it's taking that as resistance. No way. Doesn't seem likely. This is the point where it skyrockets. Data projection predicted a very high take profit. We'll see which one holds. The path was more conservative with the take profit. Honestly, I'm still looking at that dump, and I'm thinking it doesn't have that much volatility to completely shoot up straight past that. Passing from the stop hunting maneuver and then all the way up. Low, it is a very gigantic double bottom. I'm not taking chances with first of all the low here, low at 10 a.m. and also the high printed at 7 a.m. And the 1.11081 states as the take profit. He actually uses it as resistance. Okay, fine. Not for long. Trust me, not for long. Especially not after 1 hour. Oh, 21 minutes left on that candle. This is 30 minutes about to engulf or some shit. 15 minute, 10 minute, right? This all very large engulf candles. One more thing we should look at. What was the time that it was supposed to reverse? I'm talking about this path here. It's calculated at 10:20 a.m. So we still have ways to go. I get scared with setting aggressive take profits these days. Even though that looks like it's shooting up, and even though we should be technically taking it at 10:20 or so. Still, we're playing it safe on this one, especially since we're in a very large drawdown. And by the way, that's 200 points. So I'm not complaining. Promising. It has to be a very giant dragonfly. A 1 hour here is what about. And engulfs the high here, we're even more bullish. This is fine. I'm actually fine with this. Temporary retrace. They're like, what the fuck? What's happening? Volatility. Are they actually dumping it now, or are they pumping it? Stay tuned. Volatility. Volatility, bitch. Where's it gonna go? Gonna go. They're pumping it. They're fucking pumping it. I'm not moving to take profit though. Fuck you. They're pumping it. They're pumping it straight to my DP. Pumping or dumping? Pumping or dumping? I thought they were dumping it. What the fuck are they doing? Pumping or dumping? Yo, it sometimes does this, eh? Scare the shit out of me. They're pumping it. Pumping it. They're pumping it. Look at that candle. Dude, I read the 1 minute. Shut the fuck up. It is not going down. They keep pumping this shit to the moon. Not taking any chances. Take profit stays right fucking there. They fucking pumping it to the moon. That's exactly what I predicted. To the fucking moon, boys. Dude, I'll be fucking damned. I should just take it right now. The fucker doesn't even know where to go. Be damned if they dump it right now. They're off. Just take it now. What the fuck are they doing? Spoke too soon? What are they doing? They're taking that as resistance. They're taking the middle VWAP as resistance. So it broke the high. No matter what you say, it fucking broke the high. Like the middle VWAP, like 10 points shy of the take profit. Fuck you. My reaction. Oh, then I guess that's the take profit then, is it not? Let's move it there. I'm not taking any chances. It looked like they were pumping it. It sure looked like it. 1.11028. Because now what are they doing? What are they doing? Putting it from that level, like the 1 hour flips bearish. I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be very fucking pissed if it flips bearish. Absolutely, fuck not. Are we approaching support? Is this even support? It is. Like, look at not right at the level with that it would create support. If anything, it creates the inverse head and shoulders, does it not? The inverse head and shoulders combined with the bottom here. We'll see. I think should that take profit not just stay there? If it goes back up, then that's a higher low, and it'll break the high. The high. Yes, it's going on. Very sussy price action. Very sussy price action this morning. Their way, it has to make a higher low. Like, there's no way they're dumping it, especially after they broke the high. I ignored this level, they broke through it. The sussiest price action. But especially after that, I think it'd be prudent to just move the take profit right fucking there. Especially after that. Oh, anybody's taking it there. What the hell is that level? What the hell is that level even? I don't get it. Get it. In any case, 1.10994. I'm not taking any chances. I'm sorry. 1.10994. 121 points. I'll fucking take it. Like I said, it's higher low. Your way. We're not taking chances. So the market opens in the US, shoots up, and then it shoots back down. Like it or not, this level then became demand. You don't know until it actually happens. That the take profit should have been there. Either way, I think that up was quite significant, and I think it tilted things in the bull's favor. Actually, just flip bearish. Flip bearish on the way. I don't care though. There's no way you could short this and make it work. Honestly, like, the fuck are you playing the short? This is a random ass sell order. I don't know what to say, man. It did predict the long to stall a little bit before actually profiting. This action was so weird. It dumped, it pumped, and then it dumped again. Either way, we're taking it conservatively. I'm sorry, not taking any chances. Anything, it just made a higher low, just got more bullish. I let it play out. See, in a perfect world, this take profit would work. A high there and a low there. Again, like I said, we're playing it safe. We're playing it very safe these days. Then this candle becomes very easy to engulf because the body is so small. then make another higher low or some shit, right? Low number one, low number two, low number three, getting higher than the last. It should be that high or what? Like, more and more and more and more bullish. The market has known to fucking fake out, so that's why the take profit is so conservative. The way of managing risk to say your take profit conservatively, you know that, right? Not always the case. Letting them run so much that they turn into a loss. That's just not it. When you let them run to the point that they'll actually profit. When your winner short is actually a method of managing risk. Especially after it does all this monkey business, you do not want to take it aggressively. It just doesn't have time to. It doesn't have time, and it doesn't have volatility to do a large move. Goes all the way up there. So it does not have time. I mean, it's making a tinier double bottom, but a bottom nonetheless. If you look at the higher time frame, well, what can I say? This is on number one, number two higher, number three same level, and then bottom number four even higher than that. By the way, there is a Dragonfly Doji on 9:20 a.m. So outlook is still bullish on this one. Multiple bottoms. The bottoms trended down, it would be a bearish trend. Bottoms are trending up or either at the same level. Surprisingly, that is actually 100 points. It doesn't look like much because of that dumping they did at 3 a.m. It's 100 points nonetheless. What do we like to see? Like I said, it's stalling because it's late in the session. There's no volatility, and I don't know. The take profit of the path was correct, not the data. That I was predicting all the way up there. It's not happening. All the way up there is not happening. Don't wait. Keeps on making double bottoms. One of these minutes is going to finally go to the take profit or something. The bottom here, technically, right? If it makes another bottom here, technically, is it not just right side of an inverse head and shoulders? Double bottom. Again, sweet time. Thank God I didn't do 0.2 lots. That would have been premature for sure. It crossed my mind. After that win on Friday. Size up right away. That would not have been a good idea. It would have freaked me out psychologically, first of all. Approaching that reversal, mind you, we said it was 1020, right? 1020 would make that pattern and then reverse. The data says something else. The data says it would just go up. Like, respect the entry. I would just compared to the entry. I don't think totally accurate, which is why we might be entering for a short very soon. Losing this one, then entering at a short probably. It's not happening, folks. It was a predicted reversal. It's to break even, then we're entering for a short or something like that. And we'll see how it plays out. You'll see my reactions from these candles, right? Green, red, green, red. Saying positive shit when it's green, negative shit when it's red. Just expect that. I keep my psychology under check. I keep saying positive shit when it's red, right? It's just wishful thinking. We're shorting it. We're waiting for a better price than that. It's always borderline. Fine. Dude, I don't know why the 1 hour. The candles down the wazoo. More volatility picking up. It makes sense to market short this. You know? This price is still suboptimal for a short, unfortunately. Unless the 1 hour, it had the bottom to test here. But the thing is, if it goes to the bottom, then it'll bounce up. So there's no point taking a market short right now. If we're market shorting, it's either at break even or even higher or lower than that. We were kind of borderline for the overall bias evaluation. See what it does. It's taking more stops. Your liquidity available. This is why forex trading is very, very hard. Don't underestimate it. Psychology will freaking get played like a fiddle. This candle was that a failed bullish bounce, is it? Wait. This market short does not make sense at this level. It's like a fiddle. This is I don't know what this is. This is what it decides to do. Yeah, and we're limit shorting. Still limit shorting. Up limit. That's what we're gonna do now. I'm holding out hope for this. There's literally no time to go even that take profit. It's up limit. We're still holding out hope for that double bottom there. That was the bottom. Technically, that was the bottom, eh? Bounce off of that just a little bit. I would still call this a neutral day or something. Neutral days can be very hard to trade. Thing is, even if we're market shorting, I don't think we're making all that back. Today's probably going to be a red day, unfortunately. But still, that doesn't really give me license to market short right now. That is a very suboptimal level. That's basically taking the exact bottom where demand was created. And for all you know, this could be another stop humping maneuver. So we'll wait and see. This take profit again. This take profit was already reduced significantly and is not out of the question. Right? Even though for limit trading, if it retraces the entire move, does that not just make it a huge ass double bottom or a very large Dragonfly Doji? But the thing is, we're running out of time and we're running out of volatility. So a short could be reasonable actually. These bullish candles keep failing on the 1 hour. Thank God I didn't size up. Limit shorting. Limit shorting. Get my mind. Level we're limit shorting at this one. 1.1025. That means what that means? 10825. I don't know why I'm still holding out hope. 1.1025. Yeah, the thing is, there's no more volatility left in it. 1.1025. Take profit for that one. 1.1025. Negative 48 points. On the other hand, we're going to set a limit order 1.1025. There's no volatility left in that. No time left in that. Sorry. Like how it reversed like right at 1020. This is why stop limits make sense sometimes. Sometimes. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting price action. But look at the 1 hour. There's a bottom. There is definitely a bottom. I don't know why it's ignoring that demand altogether. Definitely. Looks like it's gonna pick up the limit order short. So we retrace on. Retrace on. Especially after that dumping at 3 a.m. I think that's why we're not strong bullish. But just considering that dump, like psychologically, people see that and they sell. Doesn't matter. Why would I still pick that as the take profit? There's literally no more volatility left in it. I see that happening. It's bouncing off of that level. Thinking this is taking the previous low as resistance and then it's going down from there. Sure. There's just no time. Even if it goes to say level 1.10825, what does that look like on the line? 1.10885 here. Even if it retraces all the way, it's still a bearish candle. That's the thing. Not break the previous high. Once again, look at that 10 minute here. This level was then taken as a resistance now. This looks an awfully lot like a head and shoulders, bearish head and shoulders. Even if it does that, I'm not getting my hopes up. We'll go to the previous takeoff there. That's barely a loss, even. And up there is a very good idea. Market shorting at the bottom here is not a good idea. So it would be a panic sell right there. I'll pick it up soon. There's literally no time for it to, I don't know, go here, bounce, and then go up again, and then go up past the resistance, and then to the take profit. It's just too much. Too much. It does not have it in it. This low then becomes significant, unfortunately. It doesn't even want to pick it up. Kind of sad. You just market slow. It's a failed breakout back there. Remember when I was pumping and pumping? It's supposed to go straight up from there. Failed breakout. Supposed to being picked up. But I mean, like it doesn't even want to do that. How do you think it's going to the original take profit for long? Even want to do that much? So pick it up. Pick it up. Now it decides to skyrocket. Really, my dude? Obscene. It actually broke it. Wow. No. I'm sorry. No, we don't. No. We do not do that here. No jokes. What the fuck, man? Fuck, man. I don't count that as a break yet. I'm sorry. I do not count that as a break. Going down. Now, bitch. Fuck off. I mean, I start taking it at the bottom, or that makes sense. Makes sense. Probably makes a lot of sense though, because we'd still earn out profits even if it was at the bottom. And by the way, this bottom is very weak, right? It's been tested twice, and those times were very far apart. As it was at 4 a.m. and then 6 hours later, bottom is weak. Going down, that bottom is breaking. What I'm trying to say is that it doesn't have much volatility left in it, which is why we definitely expect it to range around now. It wasn't ranging around before; it'll range around now. Around now. Actually, would have went back to the entry. Son of a bitch. Not happening. There's another high here. Not happening. Smashing that low. Trust me. Once it projects from here, on this one. Profits. Definite take profit away. Really indefinite. Like I said, we're breaking the low and then it's basically free fall from now. There's nothing holding it up. Nothing to be that, but that is so far away. No volume holding this level up. I'm sorry. It was just minus $6 on that. That's another reject, bro. It actually is another reject, and if you look very closely, it's a lower high. We're gonna dump it. Probably just at that level, maybe. Looking at, I'm sorry, this 1 hour is still bearish. So even this one, right? It's gonna fail to engulf both. Fail to engulf. Bro. Okay. Like I said, it's taking that as significant resistance because first of all, look how many bottoms were formed at that level, and then if it breaks that level, then that support then becomes resistance. It becomes significant resistance. Look at this. I'll tell you, it's dumping it. Profit relative to the previous trade. The previous trade, we're able to get out at a small loss. Now we're in profits again compared to that trade.
I'm gonna pass this level, trust me. Or not, that was a reject off of that resistance. Still long, I'd be waiting, hoping to at least go to break even by now. I would not be satisfied with break even. I would still try to get in a bit of profits. I know how my cognitive biases work. Profit is still indefinite. I honestly, I see it smashing this level 100%. No volume. No volume holding it up. Second now. I don't even know if it has volatility, enough volatility to break the low here. Just take it at the low. It has been known to dump very, very quickly. So we'll have to see. If it's dumping, it's dumping. Like I said, this level won't provide much support. I'm glad I entered for limit short. I would not want to be stuck in a long for this. Let the games begin. We're waiting till it breaks the low. Once breaks the low, all hell will break loose. Trust me. Watch. It's 1 hour. Yeah, not looking anywhere bullish on the 1 hour. I would still, though, this is a ranging day. No one's taking that short. Here we go. That is, it's breaking the low. Breaking the low. Be kind of surprised if it even attempts to bounce there. I'd be quite surprised if it even attempts to make a double bottom. The higher term. Still dumping. Like it or not, it's still fucking dumping. If this were the first trade, I would have been up quite a bit. It's not. And I don't really give a fuck. Like I said, it's breaking the low. Just watch. So technically, there are 50 more minutes left in the session. It can do a lot between now and 12. We'll see. This, it does look like, well, it looks like a giant head and shoulders right at so-called support. You might see that sometimes. It tried to create support. In fact, it created a head and shoulders pattern. So within the context of the larger picture here, we're still in the process of reversing that entire rally that happened last week. That's scary, man. Pretty conservative. I just set the take profit there. Didn't have time to break it. Ladies and gentlemen, girls, got him. Definite take profit. I'm sorry, I'm not cutting this one short. Definite fucking take profit. It's dumping it. And they're best to fucking push it up. Look at that. No one is buying this shit. Shut the fuck up. Shut the actual fuck up. No one is buying this. The hell is buying this? I'm setting the take profit there. I don't care. I think it's breaking the low. The hell is buying this, dude? Incredible. 1.10710. Incredible. I like being conservative. I don't care. Like there's no time left in the session. That's the issue. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. It might break the low or it might not. No fuck. No fuck. Hmm. It didn't. Curious to see what it'll do at the low. I kept saying it would break it. I don't know if it will. Don't ask me. It might create significant support for some reason, right? There's volume there. There might be volume now. You know what I mean? Kept saying it would break it. I don't want to be on the wrong side. That's the thing. I want this shit to happen. Like say it takes it as support, goes up, and then I'm not in profits anymore. I want to take the risk, and it's risk management. Risk management. Most definitely going to that low. I see why it would just go shy of it. Oh, that would be very rude. If I had more time, maybe it would break it. If this kind of price action happened earlier in the session, yeah, I would hold it. But we're getting close to 12. I think less and less volatile, more likely to bounce off of these the tiny lows. close. Oh, this is a good trade right here. This is 116 pips. Shy of it. That's funny. This is what I'm saying. There's no volatility. No volatility to even push it down like 2 points. Close it before it really reverses. Right? I'm gonna do some bullshit like that. You know what I mean? I don't believe that was even the right level to set it at. I want to see it completely reverse. That would be stupid. I mean, but it creates one low. We kept saying it would break the low, right? So can it at least retest it? Can it at least fucking retest it? Thank you very much. The goofiest price action. It was so close. I fucking said it here. It's incredible, dude. Of course, it would do this bullshit close to 12. It always does this. Close it. Yeah, it should take that as resistance, no? I don't even believe that was the correct level that we set there. 2 points shy. It pisses me off. Pisses me the fuck off. 2 points shy of the take profit. Fuck off. Piece of shit. It has to take that as resistance. Are you kidding me? Fuck off. Are you joking right now? Fuck off. All that for nothing. Fuck off, man. Believe this. Why would it? It's stupid. Level is not even that strong. Fuck off. Just shit. I'm getting greedy. That's why. Close it. Piece of shit, dude. Piece of shit, dude. It has to take this VWAP. What the fuck, man? Fuck off. It can't even go down 2 points. Fuck off. Fuck off. This pisses me off. It was supposed to pick it up right there. Right there. Pisses me off to no end. Fuck off, dude. Fuck off. That's why you enter with the limit order all the way up there. That market shorted, you would have been dead, like right at the bottom. Fuck this, man. Fuck this. It's gonna wait. Like, actual fuck. I said it would break the low. Okay, then. Wishful thinking. Wishful fuck. So or set it there. I don't know. Set it there. I don't know if it's the low, man. The next time it dips down, closing it. Fuck this. Fuck this. So shitty. Fuck this. We could have been in profits quick enough. Dude, this. Why is it doing this? What the the mother? Fuck you, man. Dude, man. Fuck this. Could have been in profits. Why does it always do this bullshit close to 12? Fuck you, man. Incredible. It has to take the high as fucking resistance. Dude, this is stupid. This is really stupid. I should have said it. Why was I hoping so much to go all the way down? Fuck. I should have closed it. Why does every take profit have to be a limit order? Fucking close it if it reverses. But fuck, it's supposed to take that as demand. That's the thing. It doesn't matter if it's shy 2 points. It'll still fucking take it as demand. It's incredible. I'll just wait. Serious. Why am I so scared to close it? What is on the line here? Nothing is on the line. Nothing is on the line. Fuck this. Get this so much. What is even on the line? Fuck you. Fuck you, dude. At the low here. No time. I should have known. No fucking time for this to do jack shit. Fuck off. That's right, you asshole. Go down. Now. Shit. Take profit should stay, no? Just stay right fucking there. The fucking shit. Go down. This time it kind of dips down here where we're just closing. I don't fucking care about the limit order. Be stupid to close there. It's riding. I don't care if it's insignificant or insignificant profits at this point. I don't give a fuck. Is it? Hold on. Why is the TP? Why is the TP there? 712. It's my 10712. Reasonable. Especially after rejects there. Look, this is a much lower high than what came before. Better not. Always say your take profits conservatively. I don't care what anyone tells you about let your winners run. Let your winners run. That's so subjective. Let your winners run every single time. You're gonna let your winners turn into losers, you bitch. Fuck off. I should have just said it there. I should have said it conservatively. Rather than go through all this bullshit. Like even if it goes there, I want to go through this emotionally, right? You saw me cussing this fucker out. I'll have to go through that shit. Set it. So I'm gonna take my own advice. Set it right there. 1.10720. Oh, 5 points. It's still a decent fucking trade. We had set that first longs take profit conservatively, we would have won it on that trade. Okay? Let's set this take profit, the shorts take profit conservatively, we also would have won. We're going to win. Like I said, we don't want to hold through that bullshit. I'm gonna take some profits. I kind of wanted to bounce off of this, honestly, just to justify that fucking take profit. But I don't care if it goes down more anyway. It's called risk management. I don't care if it goes down more. Managing risk by fucking setting it conservatively after it failed to go down. Imagine it bounces again. Imagine it bounces 2 points shy off again. That would be fucking hilarious. I already set it up. What more do you want? I set this motherfucker up. What do you want from me? Holy shit, it actually does it. Just close it now. Motherfucker. What the actual hell? Do you have any shame? What the fuck is this? You actually did it. What the actual really pisses me off. Shit, it actually did it. It pissed off this.